Here we have a typical ESD setup. This ESD table, ground planes are all supplied by Absolute EMC. We have a horizontal coupling ground plane along with our 0.5 millimeter isolation, our static dissipation brush, which is tied with a high resistance to ground. There's two 470 kilo ohm resistors, one in the handle, one at the end here. We have our vertical coupling plane, which has 10 centimeters distance marking away from the UT. Nice handle, nice injection point needed, and again, the high impedance connection to ground. We have a ground stud here. It's a 1/4-20 connection with a thumb screw. That ground stud can be put on, actually connected to either end of the table, but the ground plane can actually be flipped around too. So the ground plane itself is a double layer of aluminum sheets. There's no mechanical bonding between the sheets, just the surface connections tie a nice low impedance ground across the whole. As you can see here, they are staggered, the sheets, so they lay flat. There is a connection where the ground stud can be placed here or here, depending on what works best for you. That's movable, just gotta pull it out, pull it up, move it to the other side. We also have the main ground stud that goes to your building grounding, the best grounding you can find. You have a cone that comes along with it for safety, so no one trips over that ground stud. That ground stud could also be placed on this corner as well. So this back side here with the labeling gets placed near your wall or such, closest to the ground. And there you have it. Absolute EMC ESD test table, ground plane. We got the horizontal coupling plane, the vertical coupling plane, and the floor coupling plane, or floor ground plane. The table is made of 100% wood, no metal fasteners at all. It comes apart with these do pull out. They get a little tight, but the table can be assembled and disassembled or kept in the same place. The legs could be glued in if you plan on keeping it in the same spot.